first new feature to demonstrate is dimensions. And this works by selecting a series of artboards and then just hitting add dimensions, and it will pull the size and width from the artboard and append it to a layer. And we also have the option to prefix the dimensions to the beginning of the layer name. And you do that by just checking prefix. Now, second feature is chaining. This is new and experimental. So in this example, I've got a sprite sheet and I'm just using a normal sequencing panel, adds numbers, sequential numbers to each layer. But we can also do this using chaining. And what we can do is we can start off by setting a layer name from a preset, and then we're going to set a chain. So we're going to add a prefix, then we're going to add a sequencing, and then we're going to also add an extension. So the prefix, let's set a prefix here, let's call it sprite underscore, and then let's set our sequencing to have only 2 leading zeros. Then all we have to do is hit run. That'll churn through the layers, and now you can see we can get a layer renamed in more detail with just one click. Have a play around with chaining. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.